What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. First story of the day is about Android Oreo going on the NVIDIA Shield. It came out a few weeks ago to the preview folks. Me being one of them, I was able to use it. I personally don't see or have any issues with it, but I guess there's an issue, so they stopped that and they didn't push the preview version out to any more people or to any people that actually wanted to get it as that weren't on the preview edition. So only a handful of people ended up getting this update. Well, it looks like they pushed out a new Android NVIDIA Shield update. It's going to be 7.0.1. That's their Android. Don't go by the numbers. They are an Android 8, but the 7.0.1 is the Shield version of their software. So anyways, that's been pushed out. And if you're on the preview program, you should be able to get this update. It's being pushed out to people. As for people that aren't on that preview program, you still cannot get it. It looks like it's not pushed out to everybody specifically. If you want to join the preview program, I'll put a link down below on how you can sign up. But other than that, pretty good news for everybody. It should have fixed whatever issue they had previously with the update. And the people that want this update should hopefully get it within the next couple weeks. And the last story of the day is a video that went out on YouTube by the guys under the name of Under KG. And they showed hands-on photos of the gold and burgundy red Galaxy S9 phones. Now you can see these phones. It's weird because the gold one doesn't have any branding. The red one does. I don't know, whatever. Anyways, this is what it's going to look like in hand. You can see just side by side, or the gold, I don't know if it looks as good as the red. If I had to choose between the two phones, I would probably definitely choose the red. I think the red's just a little bit more elegant, a little bit more timely. It's something I probably wouldn't get sick of. I feel like I'd get sick of that gold color, but it's kind of cool seeing these colors. Hopefully they'll still make their way to the United States. There's been rumors that they might, rumors that they won't. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, if you're waiting for these colors, you can see what they look like in hand and see if you want to pick them up. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is which color would you choose out of those two phones? The gold or the red? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road. Peace!